ki nong mi khmat ki badai ki khot Kamegalia Legislative Assembly ki bolon poi banishimenta ha election ban jied ya unika president bakhat san jongkari India ki bolwan poi ki longtang san punrengut kat basawngut ki khlamla ban poi banishimenta ha kan election namat bakim don hakamet ka bokoj bakhya ba kan election ka long ban pendap na ka benta ka shugi president bakhat san jongkari India ka balong menta si khat pratrip noitung hadin ba ka samoitrikam president Uramnath Kovind kan kut no ha ka sautrik banai naitung bat kumba sawajar praspa KMP bat MLA na kaleng jala kari India kilai simenta menta kasi ha election manjid ya unika president bakhat san kari India hapo ka jala Megalia la penlong election manjid president batmai kari India ha annex hall jong ka Megalia Legislative Assembly kabodon hadulbong laban bat ka jingkali ka bami menta la kalong Hato don em kibla jied phon ni cross voting de MLA liang pyrshah ha kan election jied president kari India ka jingnyo ki vote kan long khayeng jong ka parliament ha ka arpoi trik mentau banai naitung bat unika bansa jied president on bam smai ha ka absent trik mentau banai naitung ha kan election udkhot ka raja sabha uba one way roi kharuki ulayo ban jied nak banta ban thep ya ka vote jong na silong layo jingtep ba KMLA ki ba khamla ban poisa ka jingtep vote ban jied president batmai kari India ki kan thop yu James sangma marathon sangma shet lang pale bat usngeu balang dhar
Serial number 28.
For the first time after 75 years of independence, that all these tribals are being recognized. And well, I'm very sure we're going to have a tribal president. Actually, the dream of our leader, P.A. Sangma, that he really dreamed that at least one day our tribal people should be recognized. So we do hope that at least having a tribal candidate, she may be of help to the state. We support her because, like what I've said, for the first time in 75 years, that at least we tribal are being recognized. No, I do believe and I do hope. I always live in believing and hoping that her being a tribal, it is like, a great thing for us, tribal. And such thing like this happening in India.
Don't you think that is this plan of...
that is, in politics, people may say this, people may say that, but that is political. It has nothing to do with it.
As a son, of course, it's a great day in terms of the fact that it was one of the very important issues and agendas that he had taken, and he had in fact mentioned that there will be a time soon when a tribal will become the president of this country, and I would like to show the way for it. And I think today we are on that direction. As I said, one cannot say till the results are out, but yes, I'm very happy that that today the candidature of the NDA is a tribal woman. So it's not just for the tribals, but even for women, it's a very important day.
We are happy that all who forms or rather are part of this electoral college, the members of this legislative assembly, in as far as the members belonging to our TMC is concerned, they have all come together, and it's a secret ballot, you all are aware, and hopefully you will have the outcome as per the election results. We'd like to wish our best wishes to both the candidates, and we'll be having our new president.